Mansory is a luxury car modification firm based in Brand, Germany. Besides luxury cars, they also work on supercars, luxury SUV and custom bikes. The company was founded in 1989 by Kourosh Mansory. His Munich-based workshop focused on modifications for British brands such as Rolls Royce and Italian brands such as Ferrari. By mid-2001, the company had grown out of its Munich workshop and moved to headquarters in Fichtelgebirge. The company currently operates out of a workshop in Brand, Germany. Mansory works on vehicles from a number of manufacturers, including Aston Martin, Audi, BMW, Bentley, Bugatti, Ferrari, Mercedes-Benz, Lamborghini, Rolls Royce, Maserati, Porsche, Lotus cars and Range Rover. In November 2007, Mansory acquired the Porsche-tuning arm of Rinspeed AG. Rinspeed maintains its Swiss base in Zumikon at Lake Zurich. Currently, Mansory employs 180 members of staff worldwide and has a global dealership network. Mansory are renowned for their expertise in carbon fiber design and construction. They are notable for outlandish body modifications, lightweight alloy wheels and bespoke interior modifications. The company recently started offering a range of extreme performance upgrades for the Lamborghini Aventador and the Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. Mansory's worldwide distribution network includes dealerships in Germany, Britain, India, China, Canada, Poland, Russia, United States, Japan, Greece, Switzerland, Iceland, UAE and a few other countries. Mansory Syracuse. At the 2011 Frankfurt Motor Show, Mansory unveiled a special tuning project based upon the Ferrari 458 Italia. The Mansory Syracuse featured a redesigned front apron, a new bonnet, new side skirts, a rear diffuser and carbon vanity blades which replaced the rear window. The Mansory Syracuse was said to weigh 70 kilograms less than the standard Ferrari 458 Italia. Mansory also offered an optimized engine management system, a sports air filter and a sports exhaust system. This helped improve engine performance up to 590 horsepower and 560 Newton-meters, whilst the car was able to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.2 seconds. Garia Mansory Edition. At the same 2011 Frankfurt Motor Show, Mansory announced a commercial agreement with Garia. The company produced a series of special edition golf and leisure cars for wealthy clients. These cars were characterized by carbon fiber body panels on the front, side steps and tail and elements of teak decking. Collaboration with Lotus Group. In 2012, Mansory signed an agreement with Lotus Group, then under the control of Danny Bahar, who had ambitious expansion plans. Under the agreement, Mansory would provide its services to Lotus customers who would require bodywork, trim and special finishes for Lotus the Elise, Exige and Evora range. The partnership developed following a series of one-off models produced by Mansory for Lotus, including the Evora concept bespoke unveiled at the 2011 Geneva Motor Show. The partnership fell through shortly afterwards when Danny Bahar was removed as CEO of Lotus Group. There are currently no plans to revive the partnership. Mansory Carbonado. At the 2013 Geneva Motor Show, Mansory released a bespoke version of the Lamborghini Aventador, the Mansory Carbonado. It was a complete revamped version of the Italian supercar. Mansory removed every body panel and replaced them with carbon fiber panels. The carbon fiber weave was unique to the show car. For the first time, Mansory were able to weave the panels to reveal a stealth fighter jet pattern. The modifications extended to the body panels, the suspension, the wheels and the engine. The Carbonado's V12 engine features twin turbochargers and a 1,250 horsepower power rating. 2 versions of the car have been built so far, with a third version based on the Lamborghini Aventador Roadster unveiled at the 2013 Frankfurt Motor Show. Gallery. See also: car tuning, luxury vehicle. Mansory official site. Mansory, Switzerland official site.